Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's OsakDiditX. All right. I don't want to make this video very long, but in this video we'll be talking about the MetaMask and cPen network contact address connectivity. All right. So first of all, I've seen many people make complaint about how to connect the cPen contact address to the MetaMask, and they're finding difficult to actually connect the cPen contact address, and it's giving a different name like the one you're seeing on the screen. All right. Now quickly, what we're going to do to get the cPen network control address to be imported properly on this MetaMask, all you got to do is come to your Google Play, or if you have a VPN, or if you haven't gotten a VPN, all you got to do is come to the Play Store and you're going to search for, you're going to download a VPN. We're going to use the VPN to get access to the MetaMask. Let me quickly show you the VPN which I use for mine. So you're going to download the VPNify VPN. All you're going to do is click on search and get to VPNify. All right, and you're going to click on VPNify VPN. All right, then you're going to install it. Then quickly you're going to, but since I've already installed mine, I'm going to update this very later. All right, so quickly we're going to go. But if you have a VPN, that is good. If you don't have, just get to the Play Store and download the VPN or whichever one you like. But I'm using the VPNified and it's very okay and very strong. So what you're gonna do is go to your MetaMask. Quickly, we're gonna go to the MetaMask. Now I'm on the MetaMask. So first off, when you open your MetaMask, yours might be on Ethereum base. All right, it might be on Ethereum base by default. All you got to do is click on the top left corner and search for the BNB smart chain. Then you're going to click on the BNB. All right, and what you're going to do is come to where you see import tokens, or you're going to click on the plus sign, but we're going to click on the import token. It's still the same. When you click on the import token, you're going to go to the custom token. When you click on the custom token, you're going to paste the address that switch we copied from the cPen app. All right, and to do that, you got to go to the cPen and click on cPen. We're going to click on the message and we're going to click here, and we're going to copy the cPen control address. We're going to go back to the MetaMask. We're going to go back to the MetaMask and you're going to paste the cPen wallet address. All right, and when you paste it, you're going to click on next. I will click on next. Tada! Then the cPen network is going to display on the MetaMask. And when you do that, you're going to click on next again. And click on next. The cPen native token, which is your cPen, is going to display. I'm going to click on import. And when you click on import, then you're going to see the cPen token here, right here. So this is my balance. So this is 331 cPen token that I received from the cPen network. So that is how you connect your your cPen contact address to the MetaMask properly using a VPN. If you don't use a VPN, you might have difficulty to actually connect the cPen, connect your cPen contact address to the MetaMask. So that's how you do it. If you like the video, kindly like, subscribe, and if you don't understand, comment below and I will put it through and I will respond to you as soon as possible. See you in my next video. Bye.